The space industry is about to be rocked to its core. SpaceX, the revolutionary space exploration company led by visionary CEO Elon Musk, has just announced the development of an even more powerful spacecraft, the Starship 2.0. While SpaceX already boasts the most powerful rocket currently in operation, the Falcon Heavy, and regularly sends payloads to orbit for private companies and government entities, they are not content to rest on their laurels. The company's ultimate goal is to establish a colony on Mars, and to do that, they need a spacecraft capable of transporting not just a handful of astronauts, but potentially 1 million people, and all the supplies they'll need to survive on the Red Planet. Enter the Starship 2.0, a towering behemoth of a spacecraft that stands taller than the Statue of Liberty and is designed to be roughly twice as powerful as the Saturn V rocket that sent American astronauts to the moon during NASA's Apollo program. With a wider diameter and the capability to transport massive amounts of cargo or many people at once, the Starship 2.0 is the key to realizing Musk's dream of establishing a colony on Mars. But the Starship 2.0 isn't just about interplanetary travel. NASA wants to use it to land American astronauts on the moon. The Pentagon wants to use it to move military cargo worldwide in minutes, and satellite companies and space tourists are all eager to take advantage of its capabilities to slash the cost of getting to space. To get to orbit, the Starship 2.0 sits atop a towering rocket booster called Super Heavy. But once the two parts of the spacecraft escape Earth's atmosphere, the Super Heavy booster separates and returns for a landing near the launch pad, while the Starship 2.0 continues to orbit. Both the booster and the Starship 2.0 will return to Earth's atmosphere on their side, and shortly before landing, the Starship 2.0 will reignite its engines to flip itself vertically for a soft landing. The new and improved Starship 2.0 is taking things to the next level. With an increase in size that's nothing short of staggering, this spacecraft is set to revolutionize the space industry yet again. The original Starship was impressive, but the 2.0 is a true monster, boasting an incredible 18-meter diameter, which is a full 9 meters larger than the current version. With such a significant increase in size, it's no surprise that the height of the 2.0 will also be increased, potentially standing at an astonishing 240 meters tall. This increase in size will result in a 9-fold increase in volume, allowing the Starship 2.0 to carry a mind-boggling 1,000 tons of payload per launch. This is more than triple the carrying capacity of the original Starship, which would have been able to lift 300 tons per launch. But what does this increased carrying capacity mean for SpaceX and its missions to establish a colony on Mars? It means that Musk's dream of transporting 1 million people to the Red Planet just became a lot more realistic. With the current Starship, it would take 10,000 trips to transport that many people. However, with the increased capacity of the 2.0, that number would be cut down significantly. Another major benefit of the 2.0 is its ability to transport heavy equipment that can't be broken down easily. Setting up a colony on Mars will require cranes, bulldozers, and other heavy machinery that can't be disassembled and reassembled. The 2.0 will make it possible to transport this equipment to Mars in one piece, saving time and effort. With an increase in size that is nothing short of staggering, this spacecraft is set to revolutionize the space industry. The original Starship was impressive, but the 2.0 is a true monster, boasting an incredible 18-meter diameter, which is a full 9 meters larger than the current version. But the most shocking revelation about the Starship 2.0 isn't just its size or carrying capacity. It's the fact that it will be powered by over 100 Raptor engines, each one capable of producing more than 2 million pounds of thrust. This means that the Starship 2.0 will be able to lift off the ground with the power of 100 jumbo jets combined. Imagine the sheer force and power of 100 jumbo jets lifting off the ground at the same time. That's the kind of power we're talking about here. But that's not all. SpaceX is working on making the Raptor engines cheaper and faster to build, with the goal of bringing the cost down to just $200,000 per engine. This means that the Starship 2.0 will not only be the most powerful rocket ever built, but it will also be one of the most cost-effective. The possibilities with the Starship 2.0 are truly limitless, and with SpaceX's track record of pushing the boundaries of what's possible, the future of space travel looks brighter than ever. But don't just take our word for it. Join us as we continue to follow the development of this game-changing spacecraft and see for yourself the true power of the Starship 2.0.